If you're anything like me, you struggle massively with laundry and just staying consistent and keeping up on top of it. I myself have a large family of 6. There's 6 of us, and it's hard getting on top of laundry. But this week is a busy week, and I got to have the laundry caught up. I got to have it folded up. I got to have it organized, and that's what I did. And you will see that at the very end of this video that everything is together and organized for the week. I'm so excited. If you like this content and you want to see more of its kind, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn your bells to always and become a part of the family. We'd love to have you over here.
catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Ain't with the footballs, got a nigga tripping.
We've been down, X's my regular. I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. We've been down, X's my regular. I'm talking things for better now.
If you're anything like me and you just absolutely hate laundry, here's some motivation for you. Because listen, if I could do it, you could do it, sis. And the more we stay on top of our laundry, the more we organize our laundry, the easier it is to get through our week, especially if you have a large family like me. So this video was solely made to encourage, influence, inspire other moms out there that may be going through things and just not feeling like doing mommy duties. I've been there. I've been in those states of mind, and it's not fun. I've been in those dark places, and this video was just to bring you into the light and encourage you that you could do it, mom. If I did it, you could do it, and to also let you know that you are worthy. You are important. You matter. And don't ever let anybody tell you otherwise. Stay encouraged, stay hopeful, and remember that faith comes by hearing. So whether you're telling yourself these things or you're seeking out these things to be told to you by somebody else, it really doesn't matter as long as you're getting that value somewhere. It's very important that we keep our cups full in order to be able to give to the universe. If we don't have anything to give ourselves, we cannot give anything to the universe. Very important for us moms to give ourselves grace and to give ourselves mercy and to keep our cups full so we can continue giving to our children and our husbands and our loved ones. It's very important. So I really encourage you, if you like this video, to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family. We would love to have you over here.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it, I form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
We're approaching the end of the video, so if there's any other content that you'd like to see in the near future, please comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. Also, I just want to take this time to let you guys know that I have tons of video on the channel. If you want to go watch playlists, I have tons of cooking, shopping, cleaning videos on the channel, morning routines, night routines, morning motivation for moms or anybody that needs the encouragement. So if you check that out, you won't be sure to miss other content that I have here on the platform. And also check out my community posts. And if you're not already subscribed to Wells Analytics, please get subscribed to Wells Analytics, as well as Wells Driving and my couples channel, Wells Love and Loyalty. Thank you for joining me here today on the SheSoWells YouTube channel. Well, we're no longer SheSoWells. We are now Wells Wealth of Knowledge. I thank you for being here today. And until next time.